morning to all. This is Nalini from Civil Engineering Department in DBS IT. So my today's topic is about design of intersection, which is in transportation engineering. What is called an intersection? Intersection is a place where two or more roads meet at a single point. So this is the four types of roads meet at a single point. So we call it as an intersection. So the conflicts of intersection. Conflicts of intersection is known as a crossing ways which is in the x type of directions. So these two x type of directions meet at a single point. This point is called conflict of intersection. So there are four types of conflicts in this intersection. We find four number of conflicts in this intersection. So this is called conflict of intersection. And the channelization. Channelization is a place where we take an extra road to provide a way for the movement of traffic, which reduces the way of flow of traffic in the main roads. So this is the main road which will pass the vehicles in this direction. So we provide an external way so that we can reduce the traffic flow in the main direction. So this extra road is called channelization point. The next one is traffic of islands. So islands are the place where to pass the pedestrians on the road. So normally vehicles will move in the space which is provided on the road. But this is the way which is an island in a box direction, so that here the pedestrians can walk in this footpath. The next one is types of at-grade intersection. There are different types of at-grade intersection, which is T-junction, cross-junction or X-junction, Y-junction. See, here these three are in the normal way, so they are moving in a straight directions. Whereas coming to this, it is called staggered intersection. This is the X-junction, which is similar to the normal cross-junction. Here we take this is in an inclined direction. Here we form in the straight way. But whereas coming to this, it moves in a inclined direction. Here and then staggered Y-junction or skewed Y-junction. Skewed means it provides some angle where compared to the normal roads. In the Y-junction we provide straight direction. But we are coming to this, we provide in a staggered way, means in an inclined direction to move in the movement. So here coming to this, we provide this is in a straight ways and this is in the inclined way. So don't confuse for this ways and in the other directions for the movement of the cross junctions. So the next topic is of rotary intersection. It is compared to equal to the normal intersection, but here the main difference in the rotary and the normal type of intersection is of about. Here we provide an inclined, means angled way of, curved way of intersection. In normal intersection we provide it in the L shape, normally in the two straight lines. Here we provide in a curved way, means here some curvy nature will be available in the rotary intersection. So in this rotary intersection we normally showed in the four directions, but in rotary intersection is a vast type of intersection. We can provide number of roads. So mainly we can define it in the four types. So here the vehicle movement will be same as to the normal intersection. So here the vehicles move in this direction and will pass in the directions. Here main difference is conflict points are not available in the rotary intersection. Means here we provide conflict points to move in this direction to the other direction. And in a similar way we can provide them in the here. So here this is the conflict points which we provide in here. See here we provide some conflict points. So these type of conflict points will not be available in the rotary system. So here in the rotary system, vehicle conflict points will be provided. If we want to travel from here to here, we need to move in the along with this road, where we provide the dividers with the dividing breakers. The space will be provided for the dividers. In this space, we need to take in the other road and need to move in this direction. So we need to take this long way direction traveling, and the U-turn we need to take. With this U-turn we need to enter into the opposite direction. This is a long process to enter in the other way. So we're coming to the advantages. In advantages, rotary system will provide the traffic to move in a easy way. So we can provide the vehicles to move in a particular manner. So here vehicles move, there won't be the accidents will not occur easily. So we can take it as an accident resistor way. Whereas coming to here, vehicles move in these directions. The manner which we enter will be in the easy way. So we are coming to the disadvantages. We normally see here vehicles moves in the vast area to enter into the opposite direction. So to take these vehicles, petrol cost will be more and the time taking will be more, and the cost of traffic will enter in the one direction will be heavy. If suppose a bus is moving in this direction, so bus fare will be more. So to take a U-turn, we need to take here. So the vehicles moving in this way will be need to stop in this point. So the time of vehicle movement will be decreased. So there are some disadvantages to enter in the road. So and another thing is area which is required to construct a rotary system will be heavy. So the vehicles the design area which is required is more than the normal intersection. Normal intersection is in the straight line. So the area which is here will be used by the others. Here we need to provide a cargo system. So this cargo nature will require more number of lasted area, and also vehicles movement will be taking time. So the rotary intersection is coming to the coming to very many disadvantages more than compared to the advantages. Comparatively, advantages are also will be more, so that the vehicle movement makes to some members easy and something will be different. So here the movement will be some other rotary intersection which makes to take here the vehicle movement here, and if it wants to enter in this road, it need to move in this direction to enter this way. This is another type of designs. There are number of designs in the rotary system. It is in the normal way which is provided in the cities. This type of movement will be seen in the outside of cities, so that it makes the movement easy. So here the vehicles take a U-turn in the circle, this circle way. So for this circle it needs to take in. If it wants to enter in this way, means here to here to enter in this way, it takes to move like this and needs to enter in this direction, this type. Whereas in cities where it needs to take in this long direction and needs to enter here, here, here and here. This is the 4-dash way. This is so it needs to take complete rotation to enter in the other direction. So this is the rotary system which takes a heavy time to cross the roads. So where compared to the normal intersection, rotary intersection is a vast area. And thanking you everyone.